Welcome to another video of PHP. Today we will study PHP operators and their types. So let's start. What are PHP operators? Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. PHP divides the operators into groups. These are the types of operators we use in PHP. Arithmetic operators, logical, assignment, string, comparison, array, increment operators, decrement operators, and conditional assignment operators. PHP arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators are used with numeric values to perform common arithmetical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. These are arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential, and their symbols. That's it from today. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.